Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Pangda large corkboard felt wall tiles, perfect for any space needing organization or soundproofing. This set includes 12 11.8 by 11.8 inch corkboards, each 0.35 inches thick with a strong adhesive backing for easy installation. Made from recycled polyester, these tiles are lightweight yet durable, holding pins securely for long-term use. Beyond being a bulletin board, they also reduce echo, ideal for offices, classrooms, or home environments. Installation is clean and secure with removable adhesive tabs that leave no residue or damage on your walls. These versatile boards are perfect for displaying notes, photos, calendars, or reminders in kitchens, offices, and more. Plus, the package comes with dowels, customizable postcards, and envelopes to enhance your creative and organizational needs. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.